Hey, hope you're having a great day so far. Today is January 11th, Monday, and on this post I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, before diving into Bancor network, BNTUSD, and see what exactly has gone on in this market since the last time I've spoken. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys don't want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculation opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly has gone on in the market since yesterday. Most importantly, I still take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me where the money could be trending into. Currently, I do see Bitcoin dominance has trended back upwards. But I did mention that there was still a head and shoulders pattern that could be playing out, as I've been mentioning for the past couple of days posts. If Bitcoin dominance actually breaks this neckline of about 68.6%, about there, I would expect Bitcoin dominance to actually continue trending downwards, which in my opinion is better for trading altcoins as opposed to when Bitcoin dominance actually trends back upwards. Now, the measured target of this breakdown is about 63.5%, about there. Could be reached, may or may not be reached, could also be overreached as well. So let's see where this actually heads in the next couple of days. If the Bitcoin dominance price action actually starts getting daily candle closes above 71%, I'll be a little bit cautious, because as I've been mentioning, if Bitcoin dominance actually trends upwards and Bitcoin price action pulls back, this could take quite a bit of the altcoins down with it more significantly, as we are seeing right now. Bitcoin dominance in positive territory. Bitcoin price action pulling back about 9%, slightly over below 9%, and then quite a bit of the altcoins are actually down in double digits. So this has been the scenario I've been warning about over and over again. Now let's take a look into Bitcoin price action here and see what exactly could be going on. Since yesterday, I did mention that there was possible bearish divergence on the 12-hour time frame. Whenever I do see bearish divergence on a specific time frame, my conservative estimate is that for the price action actually to meet the next closest moving average on that specific time frame, where the price action has actually overreached my expectations there. Quite a bit of bearish price action since last night for Bitcoin price action. And as I've been mentioning on yesterday's post, if the 12-hour 21 simple moving average actually breaks, the next key support I am looking at would be the daily 21 simple moving average, which has held up the price action right now and has been pretty good support, as I have seen quite a bit of buyers actually buying this red candle back up. Okay, now the question is, would Bitcoin price action continue downwards, or would it actually reverse from here? Now, some of the earlier clues I can actually see for Bitcoin price action and see which direction it can actually head to would be on the hourly time frame, which is what I'm looking at. Okay, since the dump back here, the price action has not even been able to touch the hourly 21 simple moving average, which is the blue line right here. Okay, so when Bitcoin price action can actually get hourly candle closes above this 21 simple moving average on the hourly time frame, that is a good sign that the likelihood of more upward price action can continue. So this is given, of course, that hourly price action, hourly candles stay closed above this moving average. So this is what I'm looking for. And right now we do have 2 hourly candles above this 21 simple moving average. Staying closed above this hourly 21 simple moving average would be a good sign for further upward price action as an early clue. Okay. Now, if the price action actually changes course and comes back downwards and actually breaks this daily 21 simple moving average, the next moving average I am looking for, currently at least, will be the 12-hour 50 simple moving average, which has not exactly been touched yet. So I would still expect that to be some pretty good support, at least for the time being, if the daily 21 simple moving average breaks. Okay. If not, then I'll be looking for further moving averages that are actually below this 12-hour 50 for next levels of support, but that would not be looking good. Now let's take a look into BNTUSD and see what exactly has gone on in this market since the last time I have spoken. The time frame I want to focus on is on the 3-day time frame because I do see an inverse head and shoulders pattern that the price action has actually broken out of. Measured target of that breakout was about slightly over $1.90, which is basically the measurement from the neckline here to the head, and then adding it back on top of the neckline of the pattern. So right now the neckline here is about $1.20. Okay, I do see that the price action has actually overreached and superseded that measured target at about $2.12 approximately before finally getting rejected, retesting this neckline of about $1.20, like I said, and then getting supported by the daily, by the 3-day 21 simple moving average. So very important here for the 3-day candles to maintain itself closed above this neckline. If it actually starts closing back below this neckline, this tells me that the breakout of this pattern is being reversed and the price action can actually spend more time trying to break back out of this resistance or the neckline here, or further downward price action is still possible, which I think is less likely at this time of this snapshot, but it could change. Now let's take a look into the hourly time frame and see what exactly has gone on, and this could also give me some early clues on where the price action could be heading into. So very similar to the Bitcoin price action chart, since last night the dump, the hourly candles have not yet even been able to close back on top of this hourly 21 simple moving average. So getting it close and staying closed above this hourly 21 simple moving average will be good signs that continuation of upward price action is still likely. Okay, so this is the bullish case scenario. If hourly candles can actually stay closed above this hourly 21 simple moving average, then it will be a good sign that continuation of more upward price action is to come. Now, the next key resistances here would be, first of all, would be this fib level right here. Let's see which fib level is this. This would be the 0.38 fib level at about $1.40, okay? That would be the next level of resistance, which the price action is very close to it. So getting it close back on top of this resistance would flip this resistance back to support on the hourly time frame here, and I believe on even the 4-hour that's coming up within, so they're going to close simultaneously for this daily candle close. So getting closes above this fib level here will be a good sign that the likelihood of more upward price action is to come. And then if the price action can actually get a close above this fib level right here, the next key resistance will be the next fib level right here, up to 0.5 fib level, about $1.65, which has been serving as resistance, as we can see here, for quite a bit of struggles to actually get on top of it, and then actually just getting on top of it, and very quickly it just gets rejected back downwards. So $1.65, which is also the 0.5 fib level I have here for this chart, will be the next key resistance. Now let's take a look into the bearish case scenario. Bearish case scenario, very simple. If the price action gets a 3-day candle close below this neckline, again, this tells me that the possibility of this breakout could be reversing, and either the price action could be spending more time trying to break back out of this pattern, or further downward price action is still possible. Now I picked the 3-day time frame here because on the daily time frame, I did already see some candle closes below this neckline right here, trying to break back into this pattern. Okay, so what I'm looking for right now is on the 3-day time frame, where I have not seen any 3-day candle closes below this neckline. So that would be a better signal right now, especially when this 3-day candle actually closes in about a day. So I think I can get some sense of where this price action could be going, if it's going to come back down, or would it actually be reversing against the dump we had yesterday? Now these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today for Bancor USD, BNTUSD. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.